So Jack Black, I do 4 of the voices on. By the way, here's my question for you guys: why is it that all of my characters are like meatheads and like dumb?
No comments.
What?
Well, listen to your voice.
Like literally, all the guys I go. Oh, there's like we're fighting these hair bands in one of the things. So we have the hair is encapsulating us and like and literally. So what they go is all right. So we need half an hour of you fighting hair.
Fighting hair.
And I go, I don't know what that sounds like. And so literally, it's like, there's too much hair. There's too much hair. Come on, guys, we gotta do this. There's too much hair. And I'm doing this, and then they go, okay, now for half an hour you are getting killed by lava.
Killed by lava.
Yeah, and I go, I don't know what that sounds like. And so I'm like, like, and I'd be like, what do you do? So that's like literally.
Probably what I would do.
Exactly.
If I was getting killed by lava, let's see.
No, Tara, I want to hear your best.
Okay.
Lava. Okay.
Lava?
Yeah.
Let me see. Is that pretty good?
Yeah. Oh God. Yeah. And what is hysterical is so you have a producer there going, no, make it more real.
Make it more real.
And I'm like, I don't know what lava is sounding like, so I go. And they go, no, that was no, make it a little smaller. And I'm like, I don't know what to do.
Give me a few of your other voices that you've done, because he does a ton of on the air. He used to be the voice for Walmart, and so he does a bunch. Give us your Walmart voice.
Okay, the Walmart voice would be very cheesy. Hot releases on Tuesday. It's Walmart. Be the first to get all the CDs, DVDs, and video games. All this, like it's all that on Walmart. Yes, like, and it's this. Oh my God! Hot releases Tuesday. Blah 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 blah.
Walmart.
And
So give us another voice.
when I do McDonald's right now, McDonald's is just they. Oh my God! I don't want to say this, but they want Jack Black. But they won't pay him. So I do stuff. I go, dude, oh man, what's that? A big Whopper? Oh man, hot release Tuesday. Oh man, I can't believe that big double Whopper. You know, like it's this guy. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh man.
So you're like the skater dude.
Oh yeah, what?
Yeah, dude.
Oh.
Darn it.
And here's the funny thing is they go, just play around with it for a while. And, you know, and so I sit in there for a half an hour going, oh, man, are you kidding me? Oh, woo! Oh, fries! I love fries! You know, like, and they go, perfect.
Okay, Brooks, it was a pleasure to have you in the show.
Oh, it was
Yeah.
so
Come
great
back
being here.
next time.